Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and today's makeup is all about reviewing the Dermacol makeup cover. Of course, I'm going to do my entire look right in front of you, and yes, I'll be using the CS Essential brushes launching soon. Always remember, when you start makeup, clean your skin, and I'm using the CS Essentials Skin Spa Micellar water, which is 100% natural. Starting with hydrating my skin first, I'm using the Herbis Superhero Oil. Next step, using the Embryolisse cream to hydrate my extra dry skin. Starting with my eyebrows, using the Makeup Forever Aqua Brow in shade 30. Louise eyeshadow base all over my lids. The Huda Tantour in shade light all over my lids now. Using the Violet Voss hashtag palette, and I'm going to use the browns from this palette all over the crease. Using the Decay Heavy Metal palette for some green on my eyes. So I had the entire range of Dermacol at my studio and I tried out all the colors, and I thought that most of the colors had a pink undertone to it. I personally feel that if you just own these two colors, you're pretty sorted for most Indian skin tones. I will not say that this is really fair a color, but yes, it's the fair Indian complexion, which would work for most of the fair Indian skin, and the shade that you need to own are 218 and 224. And the good news is that these two colors will be available for us at our studio in Nagar in New Delhi, and even on our website www.csessentials.in. So 218, of course, is really fair for me. So what I'm doing is I'm just squeezing a bit. Also, please note that these were just sealed and I had to, kind of puncture the tubes just to use it. I have never used these foundations before and I'm using it for the first time on camera, and I'll be so happy to give you my review about it. Going by the reviews, A little goes a long way apparently, so I'm just taking very little. And now I'm taking the shade 224 and I'm just going to add a little bit of color, and then I'll see in case I need to darken it a bit more. So I'm just mixing both the shades, and I still have to swatch it on myself to see if I've created the right color. Yes, definitely when I tried their samples, I can say that it's full coverage, and boy, does it give you, I mean, it covers every little dot of your problem on the skin. Oh, pretty much how I like my foundation. Did you know, guys, that I don't like to apply a very fair color on myself? I'd rather keep it just like a 0.5 tone dark on myself than keep it really, really fair. I feel I've gone a bit too dark, so I'm just going to, I've just touched the tube to my plate, and I'm going to mix both the colors again, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. That's perfect now. So guys, see, I still haven't used all of it, and now I'm just going to start buffing it. I'm using the Essentials buffing brush for the same. So yes, before I did the needful, I did apply the Nars Concealer on my under eyes. I also applied a little bit on the corner of my lips and slight on the sides of my forehead where my typical pigmentation is. So I had not spotted any of my concealer. I had a few marks here, and if you see, the foundation has completely covered it. I can't see a single dot of it. So now just working with my concealer brush with the same product on my under eyes as well. One thing I definitely won't do is highlight my face further with product on top. So I'm rather going to concentrate on bronzing myself really, really well. So first impressions, it's not as dry as I thought it would be. Look at my skin, it's glowing. Of course, I need to tell you guys that I really prep and prime my skin a lot because my skin is very dry. So if you are excessively dry skin and you're not going to hydrate your skin well enough, I have news for you, this is not going to go well all over. Secondly, did it cover everything on my skin? Yes, it has covered every dot, every sunspot, every mark. Do I like the coverage? Yes, if my bride is looking for full coverage foundation, I would definitely use it. So I'm not highlighting my face because I just wanted to see how this foundation came along just all over my face. So I'm just going to really, really bronze myself. I'm using the Huda Tantour and shade Light. Using the Essentials multi-purpose brush to blend my cream contour into place. And I'm just tapping the Essentials Beauty Blender once all over just to blend it a little better. And now comes the real test. We all know that once we dab on that powder, so many foundations crack. Will this crack up? I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Powder in shade 2. Hi guys, I'm back with my entire look. Hope you like it. So my review about this foundation. Do I like it? Yes, I like it. I love the way it covers every imperfection, every spot, every mark on your skin. What I don't like about it, it's not great on the under eyes. So definitely never gonna use it as a concealer. And yes, I think in spite of being really thick, it's really hydrating. I mean, the prep and prime of the skin has to be really good for you to apply this foundation flawlessly all over the skin. What I also like about the fact is that if you own these two colors that I just mentioned in the video, it is definitely worth an investment. Just buying two of them and keeping it in your skin. Would I wear this foundation again? I would wear it, but I will still stick to my concealers that I always do, and I will not get it close to my under eye. Yes guys, this foundation is going to be a boon for people with oily skin, brides with oily skin. I mean, if you're looking at foundation that does not shift, budge or move when you are out for a long duration, this is the foundation for you. So I hope you like this review. I would love to know from you what my skin looks like on camera right now. Waiting to read your comments. Thank you for watching. And did I forget to mention that it did crease on my under eye? That's why I've been saying do not use it on the under eyes. So wearing earrings from the jewelry store, absolutely love them.